Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to this settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and here we have to pick the press and hold shutter button option. Now we can decide to use this as record video, burst shot or focus. Let's stay on the burst shot, and when we go back to the camera, now when we tap on the shutter a little bit longer, we can take many pictures at the same time. Here we have the countdown, so this is our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.